Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete photos on Bumble. Now let's begin. Let's open up the Bumble application right here. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right here is Bumble. Simply, let's go to Profile. The button's on the bottom left, click on it right now. Once you're on the profile page, something like this will open up. Worry not, simply click on your profile picture right here, and then you'll be directed to this page. Well, here are the photos that I have, and let's say I simply want to delete a photo. For instance, let's say I want to delete this particular photo right here. I'm just gonna click and hold on it. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give me two options to either dismiss or delete photo. I'm gonna click on the first option right here. Then as you can see, the photo has been deleted. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's how you delete photos on Bumble. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.